In this video, I'm going to talk about the topic is very interesting. I study this. I find this very interesting because it's connected to many chemistry topics. So it is called the effective nuclear charge as Z effect. So if we look for the periodic table, so it's going to be increase from the left to the right. So, for example, as its name suggests, effective nuclear charge. So that's related to the nuclear charge, the positive, because proton inside the nuclear charge is positive. So effective that's the net charge because there's restriction, there's shells between the nuclear charge and the valence electron, the outer shell. So that's the basic idea in order to retain information. So my idea, I need to retain information, not just to learn right now. No, I need to learn and retain information for the future. So if we, for example, go to the period 2, the periodic table that in second row, so it does contain the carbon, nitrogen, and the oxygen. So increase proton and the Z effect from the left to the right. For the carbon, so we have proton, so the more proton increase, the increase Z effect. That's the idea. The carbon, we have 6 protons. So if I want to calculate the value of this easy way, I don't know, this is the easy way. So just look for the same period. So for example, we have carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So the number of the carbons is 6. The above, we have the shell, that's the restrictor or hinder between the nuclear and the valence electron. So 6 minus helium and hydrogen, so 2. 6 minus 2 is going to be 4. This is the Z effect of the carbon. The same thing for the nitrogen. So we have 7 proton minus 2 is going to be 5. And the same thing for the oxygen, 8 minus 2 is going to be, see, the same, so 2, but only the proton is going to be increased. So oxygen is going to be 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. As we say, see, oxygen 6 greater than the 5 and greater than the 4, that the carbon. So in this case, the Z is going to be increased. So what the Z is pull electron. So I say that's connected to many topics. So the radius, the more pull electron for the oxygen is going to be less radius than the carbon and nitrogen. Also, it is connected to the electronegativity. So I cannot to go through this in this time. I'm going to discuss about this in the next video.